This collaboration requires skilled technicians who can operate and maintain these robots, leading to the creation of new jobs in robotics engineering and automation. These are just a few examples of how AI is creating jobs in various sectors. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications and job opportunities emerge in fields such as finance, transportation, education, and entertainment.
Section 4. A Brighter Tomorrow. Job Security and Work-Life Balance with AI. AI is not just creating new jobs, it's also enhancing job security and improving work-life balance for many. By automating repetitive tasks, AI can reduce the workload for employees, allowing them to focus on more engaging and fulfilling aspects of their jobs. This can lead to increased job satisfaction and reduced stress levels. Moreover, AI can enable more flexible work arrangements. With AI-powered tools and platforms, employees can work remotely and collaborate with colleagues from anywhere in the world. This flexibility can be particularly beneficial for working parents or individuals with caregiving responsibilities, allowing them to better balance their professional and personal lives. AI can also contribute to increased job security by making businesses more efficient and competitive. By automating tasks and improving decision-making, AI can help companies reduce costs, increase productivity, and stay ahead of the curve. This in turn can lead to greater job stability and growth opportunities for employees.
Section 5. Embracing the future, AI and the evolving workforce. The future of work is undoubtedly intertwined with AI. While some may view this as a threat, it's essential to recognize the vast potential AI holds to create new opportunities, enhance job security, and improve our lives.
The key to thriving in this AI-driven future is adaptability and a willingness to learn new skills. By embracing lifelong learning and focusing on developing uniquely human skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, we can ensure that we remain valuable assets in the workforce of tomorrow.
The future is not about humans versus AI. It's about humans and AI working together to create a more prosperous and fulfilling future for everyone. By embracing the transformative power of AI, we can unlock a world of possibilities and shape a brighter future for generations to come.